The Bronx River Art Center presents Open Studios Artists Create for Starlight Park.
This is the long-awaited reopening of the Bronx River Art Center, and we're opening with a very special exhibition production that is the reenactment of the 1918 World Exposition of Science, Art, and Technology, and we're doing a reenactment called the 2018 Exposition of Science, Art, and Technology, and it's actually a big project that's going on in Starlight Park that we'll be installing in June.
I'm one of the artists working on the Starlight Park public art installations, so they've opened the studios to us so we can use this space to work on developing our pieces, and then the sculptures should be in the ground in June. My piece is a series of carousel horses that will be partially buried in the earth, so it'll be as if they're kind of rising up from under the earth, and it's really connected to the history of Starlight Park.
The Bronx River Art Center is a culturally diverse, multi-arts, nonprofit organization that provides a forum for the Bronx community. The space is for artists and the youth to transform creative visions. The space is now reopened after years of renovation.
We have studio space now, we have a roof garden now, we have this beautiful gallery that we're in now, plus a performance space out back. And behind the performance space is a new garden, which we're really kind of looking forward to inviting the community in.
By the summer, we should be up and running with all classes running during the daytime or weekdays.
For more information about BRAC, visit bronxriverart.org. I'm Ashley Tiffany, reporting for Bronxnet.